Hello everyone, welcome to Nutriganics by Dietitian Kanza. In this video, I will be sharing quick, easy and super delicious creamy cucumber salad. It can be used as a snack or a combo either with lunch or dinner. To make this salad, we need 1 large cucumber, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. This plate is 1 serving and provides only 125 kilocalories. Wow! Must try this super easy, delicious and quick recipe ready in just 2 minutes. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.